This is an important message from Queen Anne's County Department of Emergency Services. When adjusting your clock for daylight savings time, Queen Anne's County Department of Emergency Services reminds you to refresh your emergency supplies and change the battery in your smoke alarm. If you are not prepared for an emergency, now is the time to get ready. Every household should have a go bag to evacuate and a shelter-in-place kit with at least a 3-day supply of bottled water, non-perishable foods, and essential medications set aside for each member of the household, including your pets. Make sure your radio and flashlight work properly. Check the expiration date of your extra batteries. Open your first aid kit and look for expiration dates of the items such as aspirin or any other medications. Refresh your emergency supply of not easily perishable food and water. Review your household emergency plan with the members of your household and update the emergency contacts if necessary. Hold an emergency drill, like a home fire drill. Remember your pets, include them in your plan, and refresh their emergency supply of food and water. Plan for your entire family. Don't forget seniors and family members with special needs. For more information on emergency supplies and how to develop a household emergency plan, visit the Queen Anne's County Department of Emergency Services at www.qacdes.org. You can also stay connected with Queen Anne's County Department of Emergency Services by following us on Facebook and Queen Anne EM on Twitter.